Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talking about something truly special, the best short hairstyles for women over 60 with thin hair. If you have been looking for ways to make your hair look fuller, fresher and more youthful, this video is for you. We will explore cuts that are easy to manage, stylish and highlights to make you feel confident at any age. Let's start with our timeless favorite, the pixie cut. This classic short hairstyle adds instant volume and lifts for features beautifully. It's perfect for women with thin hair because it gives the illusion of thickness and shape. You can keep it soft and natural or add some textured layers for a more modern look. A pixie cut looks great with a bit of mousses or styling cream. Just a quick fluff and you are ready to go. Another great option is the layered crop. It's short, stylish and very easy to handle. Layers add body to thin hair while the cropped length keeps things light and youthful. Next up, the short bob. This hairstyle never goes out of style. A chin length or slightly longer bob is perfect for women over 60 who want elegance without too much effort. Ask your stylist to add gentle layers around the ends to give your hair a fuller look. You can part it on the side or soften your face and make your hair appear thicker. If you look a little more movement, try a wavy or curly bob. Soft curls bring bounce and life to thin hair, giving you that fresh, youthful glow. For those who want a confident, low-maintenance look, the textured shag cut is a perfect choice. It adds volume at the crown and creates that effortless, lived-in style that's so trendy right now. It's fun, modern and works beautifully with glasses or natural grey tones. Another amazing option is the short layered cut with bangs. Adding bangs can hide forehead lines and bring focus to your eyes. It's soft, flattering and instantly takes years off your look. Remember, it's not just about the cut. Healthy, shiny hair always looks more youthful. So use a light volumizing shampoo and keep your ends trimmed for that fresh clean finish. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.